Are you tracking the actual results from your marketing efforts? Because oftentimes I hear people make these wide assumptions that their marketing isn't working when really they're not actually making offers to bring in sales, right? Or they keep doing the same thing with their marketing that's actually not working and they just keep going because someone told them to keep doing it. The only way to know whether or not you should stay focused on the activities that you are focused on right now is if you track the results. So we're going to go into 5 ways that you can track your marketing efforts so that you can get credit cards to fly at your face. Hey, it's Molly Mahoney from The Prepared Performer, and I am so stoked to be here with you today. We're going to talk about tracking your marketing efforts. The first thing you want to do is you want to set an actual goal. How many sales do you want to bring in? What is the actual goal that you have? Let's say even just for a month, set a goal. What would you like to see as a result of a specific campaign within 1 month? Once you have that final goal, you want to step back and identify some KPIs. What's a KPI? It is a key performance indicator. And you want to have lots of them that you're tracking throughout the process of getting to that goal. So you want to be tracking what are the KPIs with your marketing efforts? I don't know. If it's a Facebook Live, you want to track the views, the reach, the engagement, the comments, the likes, all of that stuff. There's signs that people are showing up, signs that people are watching, signs that you could maybe use a retargeting ad, signs that you could maybe reach out to somebody individually as a human. Track those KPIs, right? And then ask yourself, whoa, wait a minute. Do I have a way to track? Or shoot, am I not actually able to tell where these sales are coming from? You can do things like use UTM codes on Google, use a pretty link, use little like bit.ly type links that actually track who's clicking on which thing. You can use specific keywords. You can use coupon codes. You can actually talk to human beings and ask them how they found you, right? When people come into your programs, have a form they fill out that says how they got there. This is not rocket science. It can be complicated and cool, but it can also be super, super simple. Ask yourself, do you have ways to track? And then you want to go to the ending. So start with your sales. Ask yourself, do I have sales? Yes or no? Then from there, you're going to go, why, right? Or where are they coming from? 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 Go backwards. So sales, do you have that? Awesome. Are you making offers? Yes or no? Right? Why are you making offers? Because you have lots of leads coming in or because you don't have any leads coming in? Or do you have lots of leads and you're just kind of scared? And maybe you just aren't thinking about the fact that, what? I'm a human who needs to tell people that I have an awesome offer, right? Are you making those offers? If you are making offers, then go back and look, do I actually have conversions, right? Are people actually converting? Then from there, you're going to go back and you're going to look at, am I actually bringing in leads? Right? And if you're not actually bringing in leads, one of my favorite things to do is to prove to you that you actually do have leads everywhere. But if you're not actually bringing in leads, figure out why. Maybe it's because you're not actually putting content out, or maybe you are putting content out, whether it's free value that you're delivering once a week, like we suggest, or with Facebook ads. You've got to figure out, is that content that you're sharing converting, right? Are people actually showing up and getting to that next step? Or are people not even showing up at all? So there's going to be all of these whys around that content. Within there, you're able to, once you start discovering all of this, you're able to make tiny tweaks. You don't want to make a huge, big change right away because then you'll never know what was actually working. Make a tiny little tweak and then go back and check those KPIs and you're going to do the whole thing all over again. So this is something that you want to be checking in with yourself, checking in with your team once a week. We have all of these, spreadsheets and things where we're tracking these results. We have tools that we love like SmarterQ or Google Analytics, things like that. But really, you can be tracking this stuff yourself just with a pen and paper, right? You've got to be tracking. It's one of the reasons that in our GLAM program, we track all of these things every week and we track them out loud where everybody can see it so that we're able to tell, okay, it looks like you didn't make any offers this week, but you had 20 leads. Go make some offers, right? Or it looks like you made 20 offers this week and you only had 1 sale. We got to talk about those offers. But if you're not tracking these things, you cannot make a difference, right? Oh my gosh. Okay. We also have this really cool biz assessment that can actually track all of this for you. It's not going to track, but you can answer what you've been tracking and you can start to figure out where are the pieces that you actually need to to fix? What are the holes that you want to patch up in your business so that you can really skyrocket that success and start seeing more amazingness in your business so that you can make a bigger impact on the world? I'm going to share the link for the biz assessment here. It's going to open in Messenger. Click on it. You may have to log into Messenger or just click get started because it'll open in Messenger. Mollybot is going to walk you through this assessment and it is super cool. This has been our little speedy recap of our Wednesday Facebook Lives that we bring to you right here. So we are so glad that you joined us. And it is my absolute joy to help you to unlock your inner awesome and elevate it with the magic of live video and marketing automation. Make sure you subscribe on YouTube, wherever that link is. Get it.